Products and categories. Before we can submit any orders for inventory or fulfillment, we first need to register our products and assign them to categories. This can be done in either jump or inventory mode. For product categories, you can either choose from the default categories assigned to you or create your own. To create a new category, simply go to Add Category and click Create Category. Enter the category name, the code, and the unit count you want the category to have. You can customize your categories in whatever way best suits your products or your business. Once your categories are ready, we can move on to adding products. There are two ways to add products. Manual addition, where you add products individually, one at a time, or bulk upload, where you register multiple products at once. We'll start with manual product addition. Click Add Product and enter the SKU, or item number, followed by the product description. Then select the appropriate category. This can either be one of the default categories assigned to you, or a category that you created. The producer and notes fields are optional, while the SKU description and category fields are required. Now let's look at how to add products in bulk. To begin, download the Bulk Product Upload CSV template. The template follows the same format, where you'll enter the SKU, the product description, the category, and, if needed, the producer and notes. The category listed in the CSV must exactly match one of the categories you've created or one of your assigned default categories. Once your file is ready, save it in CSV or Excel format, then upload it. After the upload is complete, you'll see that all products have been uploaded successfully without any errors. Once the upload is complete, you can view all the products you have successfully registered in your profile. Now that your products are registered, we can move on to creating orders, which we'll cover in the next tutorial.